Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin Lim Zepsu. Hey, Alice 啊，我的眼镜在哪儿啊？
我哪知道，没啦。
啊，这么笃定也不帮忙一下？你要至少说没，但是我帮你找，就没了。有的时候很急，真的会发生这种事情。Okay, this month we're teaching you it's gone. You lost something and you want to let people know that you're trying to look for it. And I was just playing out a scenario. Sometimes, we're looking for our glasses and we actually have it on us. We had no idea. It has happened to me maybe once or twice already. Okay, 好，那就干脆用这样子的故事来教几个单字好了，好不好？ All right, it's all about saying it's gone. 不见了，怎么说？
唔见睇。
Okay, that's how you say it's gone. All right, let's play out the scenario. 我们就教这里面的一些生字了哈。好，各位听众有戴眼镜的，来教你怎么说眼镜 ，your glasses。
目镜。
目镜哦，目就是眼睛嘛，目嘛，镜的镜嘛，目镜。
海陆腔目镜。
目镜 ，Okay, that's a different dialect for your glasses. Interesting. All right, 那有的时候其实好啦，不是戴在头上哈，可能是真的放在某处。这里很可怜嘛，戴眼镜的人一定是近视啊，或远视啊，看不到啊，很难找，好不好？有的时候就在电视机旁边啊，或者在什么东西旁边啊。A lot of times it's just next to something because you don't have your glasses on, you don't have good vision. So how do you say next to something? 旁边。
顺风。顺
风还要顺人家走了，顺风来给啊。顺风
就是旁边。
哦，是旁边的意思哦。顺风 actually in Taiwanese sounds like goodbye, but it means next to something. 那就说啊，找到了哦 ，I found it。
寻到诶，
寻到诶，哦，就是找到了，要很开心。寻到诶，All right, let's go ahead and make a sentence out of the first one. OK, 我们就回到眼镜好了。
好，
就会说，哎 ，Alice， 你有看到我的眼镜吗？哈 ，Have you seen my glasses？
有。
有。
看到我嘅。
看到我嘅。
目镜冇。
目镜冇。
有看到我嘅目镜冇。
有看到我嘅目镜冇 Have you seen my glasses? Let's review all these terms. 眼镜
目镜
that's your glasses. Next to something 旁边
顺风
And finally I found it 找到了
寻到诶
It's all about 不见了
唔见睇
Okay, that's it's gone. Hopefully you'll find your belongings real soon. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺是谁张来了
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.